welcome everyone. Today we're going to make some Shopify emails using a brand partner for um, this tutorial just because this has already been requested from a lot of different partners. So I'm going to just do it, showcase a quick tutorial of how to do it from the Shopify dashboard. Um, that way, this makes it easier for you to be able to send out your emails on the day-to-day. So we're going to jump straight into it. When you log into Shopify, you're going to look over on the left side to your admin panel, and you're going to go down to apps. If you don't already have it, go to your Shopify app store and download messaging. Once you have it downloaded, you can also click to pin it. It'll show over here on the right side if it's not already pinned. If so, if it doesn't show, then you can also come over here and you'll see it. Unpin, you can choose to pin it that way. Pin it over there so you can click it easy access. Don't worry about that. So from here, we're going to do create campaign. So we've already made a few templates for um, our partner. So we're going to go and check it out. This is what it will look like after you create your first individual template. You could just use it over and over. All right. So this credit repair template, we could use this one and change the means of it, right? So instead of it being for credit repair this time, we can focus it on something else and still have it be a timestamp uh, aspect. For the sake of time, we're not going to do that. We're going to create one from scratch right now because you need to know how to create it from scratch. So right now, the easiest thing, or the easiest way to create one from scratch is to find one that's already kind of optimized for a solid email. This is the one with the store hours update seems to be the one that already has that type of layout. All you got to do is just update it. So we're going to grab it. We're going to click who you're going to send it to. If it's a general campaign or a general email, you want to click all subscribers. But if it's somebody specific, then you want to make sure you click that customer segment. If you didn't build a customer segment, we'll create a video on how to do that. Um, that way you guys know how to do it. This will be where your subject line of your email goes. So we're gonna go grab one right quick. All right. Really funding on the table. And this is the preview text. You can do the same thing a lot of times. If it's not something shorter that you have, you want to put up there. This is the from email. It should always be your company. All right, so we're gonna update this, but yeah, this essentially is the email, the the loose framework of it. We're gonna start building it up now. We're gonna take this part out because we don't need it. And I'll be sure to add some email command functions for ChatGPT in the description under the video. So you could just copy and paste. That way you don't even have to think about it. Just take what's already here and then go do this for your company and go send out some emails. All right. We're gonna paste it. Make sure you personalize your emails always. And if you don't know who they are, then leave something something friendly, something respectful. Highlight that, italicize it. And then I'm doing a little customization right now. You don't have to do this part. Um, you could generate images. You could generate images here. You put whatever you want to search and then you just, you push it up there. And we're going to use that image. You can play around with it. Click the image. See if you want to make it smaller. Keep it that size if you want. I'm going to just touch up the email a little bit. Visit our website. We'll have that there. But what we'll do is we'll click it, and then we'll go up here and we'll click this and go back down. You'll see that, and it'll do that and should offer you to where you want to, link it to. Um, let's see, for this, we'll link it to the blog so we can educate them. And then we'll make sure this is bold, italicize it, and we'll make the link color dark green. There we go. Bold company name, and bam, just like that. Now we're just going to center this. Bam, center everything. That's all we're doing with that. And you could check how it looks on mobile. Going down to mobile and you see how email would look. And this is how you could create one quick. And then you can either save it as a template and just reuse this over and over and over by the little three buttons. You can duplicate it live. You could change the entire template if you don't like how that looks. It'll probably start it over, or you can make it live now. Review it, and then you'll schedule send. Now, if you want to send a copy to yourself, you can send a test and just send your email. Enter your email and send a test to yourself. It'll give you a suggested time that you can send it, or you could send it immediately, or you could go and pick it yourself. We're just going to schedule it, and then that's it. Your email is scheduled. Bada bing, bada boom.